Hello slaves of the world. For the past 2 years, a seemingly crazy group of people called Flat Earthers have been growing in large quantities. I assure you that there is a reason for this. If the Flat Earth theory did not have any merit, it would not have lasted more than a month on the web. Now, evidence for the flat and motionless Earth seems to pop up every day, along with more people waking up to the facts, and not the pseudoscience that we've all been force-fed our whole lives. The issue is that 90% of Earth's population or more are still in a deep slumber, and refuse to do any thinking for themselves. They'd rather kneel down to whatever self-proclaimed authority is in place and blindly follow them into intentional misunderstanding and ignorance. Everything you think you know about the universe is a lie. Fantastic theories passed off as factual information. Gravity is nothing more than a scapegoat to explain why you're able to travel hundreds of thousands of miles per hour on a spinning ball without falling off. The funny thing is that motion has never once been detected in all the time that we've been here on Earth. Curvature has not been measured either. NASA receives billions of tax dollars each year, and all they have to show for it is composite images that look like cartoons. The 6 lunar landings that were purported to have taken place between 1969 and 1972 were intended to reinforce the belief of living on a spinning ball. Now, in 2016, most people have been so dumbed down that even though there is zero proof for a globe Earth, they still happily accept the lie and relentlessly attack anyone who says different. The reality of the matter is that we cannot leave the Earth because we are enclosed by the firmament. The implications of this are astounding to say the least. A nearly one-sided spiritual battle is being waged against a clueless general public that has been taught that Earth and all life is the result of a cosmic accident that led to humans evolving from ape-like creatures over millions of years. The reason that they want us to think these nonsensical ideas is because the total opposite is what is actually true. We are of divine origin and have a basis for being here. Unfortunately, many people are heavily under the influence of the mainstream media, and will forever be suffering from cognitive dissonance. If that isn't the case, then the Tavistock Institute has successfully trained them not to care. Through music, movies and TV shows, the thoughts that you think are your own are manufactured for you. Your opinions are formed by psychos with an agenda to enslave humanity and put a stranglehold on the world as a whole. Pay attention and wake up to the Flat Earth conspiracy today, and watch as their power over you becomes dust in the wind. Watch closely as they try to convince us that aliens are real, and the 500-year plan of the Freemasons and the Jesuit Brotherhood comes to fruition. We are getting closer to the final deception every day. The question is, will enough of us be awake when the time comes?